Okay, we've got this. It's a 2020 Honda PCX, and we are in a campground in Florida. And I haven't had any problems with this motorcycle ever. So I go to start it, no start. And they say the ECM is down here, and that you can tap on it or replug it. So I was trying to find a video about how to take all these panels off, and I couldn't find anything. I don't have those plastic levers those little plastic claws to pry those off, and I didn't know what to do. So I laid down here by the front wheel, and I looked up under there, and right there is the ECM. So I just took the back of this screwdriver and just tapped on it, and it started. So I guess it's a common problem, but all the videos, I couldn't find a video that was as simple as this one I'm showing you now. So if you're in dire straits and you can't get the thing started, just lay down, look up under this front wheel, and tap on this ECM and give it a try, and it may start. So good luck.